The mirror tool in Solidworks Sketch is a great tool for quickly replicating and flipping entities. But what if you need to adjust entities only on one side of the mirror? Can we do that without mirroring the adjustments? Let's find out in this video. Hey guys, it's Solidbyte here. So today we are going to talk about the mirror feature in Solidworks Sketch. Specifically what you can do to make adjustments after the mirror feature has been completed. So I have some sketch lines here which I have mirrored across this center line. So let's say that after doing this, I decided that I need this point to not be symmetrical about the center line. I can certainly delete this line and draw in a new line, but a better way would be to delete away the symmetric relation. So let's zoom into the point. If you look closely at the sketch relation in green, you can recognize the symmetric relation icon and also the number 4. You can see that its counterpart across the center line shares the same number. So left click on the symmetric relation and press delete. Now I can drag this point independently. Now let's zoom into the center line. You can see that the symmetric sketch relations appear here too. Deleting the relations here will also achieve the same effect. So let's try to delete the sketch relation for point 1. Now I can drag this point independently too. Right, that concludes today's video. I will see you soon.